This is a little tutorial for what is called the Tiny eBook Reader or Tiny Lit Reader. The reason it's called Tiny Lit Reader is because it reads lit files or LIT files, which are also read by Microsoft Reader on desktop PCs and also these mobile machines. When you first open the program, you're likely to see something like this. This shows you what they call the library, and you can scroll to your right to take a look for ebooks. If it comes up like this, you'll see it says SD card here, which is another name for a flash memory card. So you might want to tap on that and click open. And then if you scroll to the right, it'll start showing you books that are on that SD card. So for example, let's see if we can open this one and give it a minute here, and you see the little progress wheel turning. And this is James Clavell's Shogun, an excellent book. Now the simple version here is, you see the little two arrows at the bottom. You just click on the arrows to turn the pages. And then if you want to go backwards, you click the back arrow. You can also use your action key. And let's see if I can give you a brief view of that. It's right here. You can press to the right to turn the pages, or to go backwards, press it in this direction. Now, of course, it has a lot of functions and abilities other than that. You can click on tools here if you want to go to a particular page or go back to the first page. For example, you can click here. Then they also give you a percentage method. You want to go halfway through the book, just to skip through it quickly, you can click on 50%. And it'll go halfway through the book. Let's go back to our beginning. There are a number of options that you can use. Nighttime scheme is to help with glare. If you have a problem with glare, you can see it gives it to you now in black and white. We can come over here to info if we want to learn more about the book, but more important are the options. Now on this page, it gives you font size. Font size is adjustable, so you can increase the font size here. For example, we could go to 18, and here we could change font size if we want. Incidentally, these machines use the same type of TrueType fonts as are used on your Windows computer. So if you wanted to add more fonts, you could just copy fonts out of the Windows folder on your desktop computer and put them in the fonts folder on this machine. Also, the fonts folder would be in Windows. And here you can set attributes for the font, see bold, clear type, and so forth. Now we could click done, or we can click more. Here we can set paragraph spacing, border width. This is an important box because sometimes if the text is justified, you might want to uncheck that box. Justified means it'll try to make the right border and the left border even, and that's not always desirable because it can make the page look funny. Likewise, you might want to click on associate with lit files here, because that means that you can click on a book and it will automatically open this program for you. Two important things here: you can do auto scroll by checking this, or you can rotate the book 90 degrees and read in landscape mode. So those are important to know about. Now we'll go ahead and click on done and go back to our book, and you can see now how much bigger that font is. So that's the basics on using the Tiny eBook Reader. It's a really good program. and I hope you like it.